Beautiful home in desirable West Aurora neighborhood. Foyer. Living room with hardwood floors. The kitchen offers ample cabinet space, stainless steel appliances, and a pantry closet. Eating area. Cozy family room perfect for gatherings. Main floor half bath. Primary bedroom with walk-in closet. Private primary bath. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Full hall bath. Full basement perfect for storage or additional living space. Rear exterior complete with large concrete patio.